In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to indent or dedent code in Visual Studio Code in Windows. So the first approach that I'll be showing is using the keyboard, and the second one is using the mouse. So let's start off with using the keyboard. To indent code, which pretty much means increase the indentation, you select the code that you want to indent, and then you press tab from the keyboard. So I'm tabbing, just keep tabbing until you reach the point that you like for your indentation level. And to dedent the code, which is pretty much the opposite, that's decrease the indentation, you select the code that you want to dedent, and then you click on Shift and Tab from the keyboard at the same time. So now I'm indenting, clicking on Tab, and I would like to dedent this code by Shift and tabbing on the keyboard at the same time. I know this is a comment, but it works the same on any code. So if it's PHP code, I can tab and Shift tab to return. So that's using the keyboard, and now we'll show how you can do that using the mouse. Now to increase or to increase the indentation using the mouse, you select the code that you want to indent, and then you right click on the selected code and choose Command Palette. And then from here, you type indent line and then click on it. So you can see that it actually moved one level. So I can keep doing that, and it's now sitting in my recently used command. So I can just click on it every time. Now for the dedentation using the mouse, you want to select the code, you right click on the selected code and choose Command Palette. This time I'm going to type Outdent line, and I'll click on it. And now I can click on Command Palette again, and I can see it in my recently used, so I can outdent. So it's pretty much, as you can see, I can now indent, but I have to kind of come back to the command each time. So I find it easier to use the keyboard, and I'm just going to do that. And I can use the mouse if I want, so outdent the line, or Shift Tab to dedent. So that's pretty much it. I hope this was helpful to you, and stay tuned for future videos on more topics that could be interesting to you.